Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Flow app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you